Hey y'all, I'm gonna be opening up these 4 packs. These 2 packs were part of a 3-pack blister.
Heart Gold Soul Silver too.
Oh, and the Heart Gold Soul Silver. It came with this cute little Pikachu. We got in the car and Joseph started opening it. And I was like, what are you doing? And he totally forgot. He was like, I didn't even realize I was doing it. But, oh. This is the part he just got, and he had this one to begin with. So that's cool. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna open this Plasma Freeze. Okay. Sneasel, Makuhita, Eevee, Starly, Nidoran, Shadow Triad, Seadra, Lantern, Reverse Starly. Oh, Heat-Rainy X!
Yes! I'm sorry, I was like dancing in the background. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you really were.
Oh.
What? Jeez.
Set that bad boy up. Well, this is going to be an epic video, in my opinion. Oh my gosh.
Looks good. Put that one over there. Okay. Alright, this Plasma Freeze. Okay, Nidoran, Rattata, Sandile, Yamask, Litwick, Flareon, Floatstone, Dragonair, Pachirisu, Reverse, and Reshiram. Didn't we just get that one?
Yeah, we just did it in a tray. Oh, that's cool.
I like it. Alright, so now we're going to do this one, Platinum Arceus.
Hopefully we can get one of the subsets, the shinies or the Arceus subset.
Okay. Wingull, Trico, Gulpin, Bagon, Bunary, that one's cute, Manectric, Bench Shield, Wormadam, Reverse Rare Golem, and a Spiritone for the rare. Alright, last pack, Supreme Victors. Okay, Chimchar, Nincada, Shroomish, that looks silly, Shinx, Drifloon, Dragonite, Night Teleporter, VS Seeker, Reverse Staravia, and the rare is Magmortar. Do we have this card?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, we got some good ones today.
Heck yeah.
Alright.